Alright, here's a quick tutorial, if you need it, on how to get like documents up on your whiteboard. This can come in handy for the Can puzzle because then you can post it and work on it. So again, you're opening your whiteboard as the app, right? Not in the web browser. One way you'll always know that is over here in the corner, like these three icons, if you will, the menu and you and so on and so forth, inviting people. That doesn't show up in the corner when you're in the web version. So that's kind of like, for me, how I always know if I'm in the right place. Now, to add documents, with your menu, you want to get to this bar here. You're going to go to the plus sign, and you can see you could put all sorts of things in here. So whatever you desire as the future moves, as we move into the future. Let's click on your Word document. Hopefully, there we go, nice. First thing to pop up, I got lucky there. So you'll take your Can puzzle, and it comes over here, and again, you can see there's the option to do multiple pages. You could do like PowerPoints and stuff, whatever. It's pretty cool. Post it, and now you can go back to your pen, and you can work on this Can puzzle as you model and talk about it during the lesson without anyone interfering with what you're doing, right? So I'm gonna try. Well, maybe I won't go all the way. So far, so good. Anyway, that's that. Hopefully that comes in handy. Hopefully you didn't need it. I don't know. Whatever. Just thought I'd throw it in here just in case.